standing at the back of your mat, heels together, toes apart, Pilates V. Arms up by your ears, palms facing forward, shoulders down and back. Press your inner thighs together and your hips forward, roll down over your legs. Bend your knees as necessary to get your hands to the mat. Inhale, walk out into your plank, straight line from head to heel, hands under shoulders. Exhale, press back into a forward fold, again softening your knees as needed. Roll up, arms up by your ears, curl down, 4 more. Rolling down, inhaling out into plank, hands under shoulders. Exhale, press back into your forward fold. Curl up, arms up by your ears the entire time. Pressing the inner thighs together and the hips forward as you roll down. Lengthening out through the crown of your head from your heels as you go into plank. Rounding over for your fold. Curling up to stand, pull your ribs in. Firing up your upper body and core. Stretching out your low back and hamstrings and calves. Last one, keep pressing those inner thighs together, hips forward as you roll down. Inhale out into your plank, pull the ribs in. Exhale, curl your chin to your chest as you roll back up. Curl and roll down. Inhale out into plank and hold, taking your feet sits bones apart or hip distance apart. Pressing your hips back and up for downward facing dog, straight line from head to tailbone, shoulders down and back, armpits rotate in slightly. Inhale, lift your right leg, reach back through your right heel, just stretch out through the front of the right hip and the back of the left leg. Exhale, right knee to nose, plant your foot forward for a lunge. Lower your left knee to the mat. Inhale your arms up by your ears, lifting your head and chest so you're in one straight line from your hands, head, shoulders, hip, and back knee. Inhale, straighten your legs, arms by your hips. Exhale, arms up, lower your knee for 5 total. Stretching the front of the left hip here, firing up your lower body, pulling your ribs in to fire up your transverse abs. Hands to the mat, lift your left knee, step your right leg back, plank to down dog. Lift your left leg, press through the left heel, draw the left knee into the chest, plant the foot forward for a lunge. Right knee down under your right hip. Inhale your arms up, lift your chest. Exhale, straighten your legs as you lower your arms to your hips. Inhale, sweep your arms up by your ears, lower your back knee for 5. Keeping your hips square to the front so you stretch out through the front of the right hip. Pull the ribs in, activating your transverse abs. Hands to the mat, lift your right knee, step back your left foot to plank and hips up for downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, draw your knee into your nose and plant your foot to the outside of your right hand, knee and toe turned out, wide lunge, right arm up to the ceiling for a twist. Step your right foot back, hips back, down dog, left leg lifts, left knee to chest, take the foot to the outside of the left hand, lift the left hand for a twist, and then step your left foot back to plank, down dog, right leg up, right foot to the outside of the right hand, right arm up for the twist, right hand back, step back to plank, hips to down dog, left leg lifts, left leg comes forward, left arm opens for the twist, hand down, left foot back plank, hips up, down dog. Keep going. We've got 5 each side. Bring the right foot forward, wide lunge, right arm up, right hand down, step the right foot back for plank, go right into your down dog, lift your left leg out to the side, knee and toe turned out, wide lunge, left arm up, left foot steps back plank, and then hips up, down dog. Right leg forward. Reach and rotate with the right arm, hand down, step it back, hips up, down dog. Left leg, left arm out to the side as you bring that foot forward for a lunge, step it back, plank, down dog. Right leg up, right leg forward, open for your twist, right hand down, right leg back, hips up. Left leg up, left foot forward, wide lunge, left arm up for the rotation, hand down, left leg back plank, hips up, down dog, and press all the way to your feet, folding over your legs, turning your knees and toes out slightly, sit low into a sumo squat, knees and toes facing the same direction, arms up by your ears, feel your core engage, lift up onto your toes as you stand and bring your hands to your hips. 10 total. As your arms go up by your ears and your hips go down, pull your ribs in tightly to make sure you're stabilizing your spine with your transverse abs. Warming up your lower body, working on your ankle, knee, and hip range of motion and balance. Last one. Step to the center of your mat, heels together, toes apart, Pilates V. Heel toe your feet out as wide as they'll go into a wide leg stance. Knees and toes turned out. Arms are shoulder height, palms down for alternating side lunges. Inhale up. Exhale, bend your right knee, left hand, right toe. Inhale, center, and reach to the other side. Pushing your hips back. Reaching the crown of your head away from your tailbone to lengthen your spine. 5 total each side. Toe heel your feet back together and you're ready for your workout.